Greetings internet family, I am on day 3 in Rome and we're going to the Colosseum this morning. I'm super excited. I don't think I got enough footage yesterday, maybe I did, I don't know. If I didn't end it and I just ended it abruptly, that's just standard me. We all know how I end vlogs, just disappear. Anyway, we're going Colosseum now, and then the Forum.
Yeah, you'll get there.
We're going to try and do some museums. Probably mentioned this before. It's a holiday here in Italy, as in like tomorrow's little Christmas, so a lot of things are not open today. So we're hoping that we can go to a few museums, because I have like a few museums that I want to go see.
And St. Peter's Basilica.
Oh, and we have to go back to St. Peter's Basilica because the queue was mental yesterday, as I probably showed you. So we're going to try and go there. Well, probably will be tomorrow morning, unless we finish this up early.
I doubt it.
If we finished it up early, then we could do it, but probably not. So we just have the Spanish steps to do during the day, St. Peter's Basilica, and what else?
Sorry, I was lost looking at that thing earlier. What is that?
What is it? Ooh, interesting. And then one more. I think there's like...
Sorry, is this tomorrow or today?
No, I don't know. We're just in general.
Tomorrow, but today we have the Colosseum, the Forum. Tomorrow, St. Peter's Basilica, and your 2 museums.
My museums.
Yeah, and there's loads of stuff, but we just can't fit it in.
And loads of other stuff, but we just can't fit it in, so we'll have to come back, eh?
Yeah.
But like, there's just so many things that we want to do. We went to this really nice restaurant. Actually, we're passing by it now. It is, hang on, I'll show you. Yeah, we went there last night. It's so nice. Cafe Friends. It was really nice, and we're in there till like well after midnight. It was just really nice, just drinking wine. I was getting a bit drunk. That's per usual. And my one glass of wine. I just can't drink. Yeah, that's the story now. I'm gonna rapidly walk because I feel like we're gonna be late for the Colosseum, and I'll talk to you when we're there. Wow guys, look at this. I have no idea what it is, but I will find out what the name of the building is. But isn't that just spectacular? It's so cool. And the steps. Wow, there it is. We're just after finishing our tour of the Colosseum, and it is so cool, guys. Like, definitely like the most amazing thing ever. It's so fun to like look at all the ruins and see like all the history of it, and like seeing where like old steps were and where the seating area was. And we had like a guided tour, which we weren't really gonna do, but it What's that?
Chill here.
Okay, well it was worth actually doing the tour because she had like loads of information for us and had like pictures of the way that the Colosseum used to look, so you could like visualize it. Like I was like trying to remember parts of it from history. I can remember like a good few bits, but like there was definitely, I learned a lot. It's just an amazing structure, like it's absolutely massive, and it's just really, really incredible. It's so cool. So currently we're going to the Roman forums. So we're just after obviously leaving the Colosseum. And now we're walking down. It's very cobbly and I'm like terrified I'm going to fall because I'm wearing knee-high boots. But it's all ruins, and we were in Palatine Hill going there, but it's like there's nothing really to see. I know. I'm definitely going to fall. So we're just like looking at all the old ruins.
They're laughing at you.
I don't like them. Okay guys, so we're just in the forum. Say it to me again.
Roman Forum.
Roman Forum, and it's actually really, really nice today. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's quite warm, and like it's what, the 5th of January, and I'm out in like a little tiny little top. Like it's super warm, but this place is unbelievable. Like you could actually walk around it for hours and hours and hours and hours, which is kind of what we've done. Yeah. And now we're both really tired and hungry, so I think we're gonna go get food. But like this place is really cool. So it's all obviously ruins, and I wasn't really sure of the history of the forum. God, I can't say that, forum. But Paddy enlightened me with the history of it. So it's like an old, like a little bit. So it's like an old city, and then it was like invaded. I'll actually get the proper history of it and like leave it in the description or something. It's just so cool, and it's just, I don't know, it's really interesting. So if you do visit Rome, obviously you have to do this, obviously. So we're gonna go get something to eat now, and I'll chat to you in a bit. Hi guys, so we're in on our last night out in Rome, and as you could see we did the Colosseum today, which I absolutely was in my element. Like it was like one of the most amazing things I think I've ever seen. So we're going out for dinner at the Pantheon tonight, because that's where we had dinner the first day, and it was just so lovely. So I'd like to like finish it off as we started. Then we're going to, I think, St. Peter's Basilica in the morning. Tomorrow's a holiday here, I mentioned that before, so we're gonna try and get skip the queue tickets, but it's not really looking like it's gonna happen. But if it does happen, it does, and if not, you know, I'm not gonna worry too much about it and just try not to get killed right now. What we want to do is obviously see it before we leave. We're gonna go get up early anyway and just see what the crack is, and then I want to do a few small bits more, yeah, Spanish steps, and I think that's it. I think we've done everything else that we really wanted.
Don't really have time to do much else.
No, but there's not really much else to do that's on the top of our list. Like 4 days was plenty. We got everything in. I've seen the Pantheon like 600 times, which is great. Got to see the Colosseum, got to eat lots of pasta and pizza, and I don't know, it was just really just a very enjoyable trip. The weather has been fabulous. And I was just talking to my friend Neen today, and she's in Amsterdam, and it was raining so bad, and it was kind of like ruining the trip because it was so wet. So I'm like delighted that we actually got the weather. Just made it just so much better. That's all I need to catch us up, and I think you're up to speed. I never did a bloody, what you call it, video of the room, because when I arrived my camera battery was dead, obviously, because standard me. The place that we stayed in was epic. Like, it was just so nice. We had breakfast every morning. It was really, really comfortable. We got fresh towels every day. The room was really, really nice and cozy and stuff, and it was warm, comfortable, relaxing. So just if you're interested in the hotel I stayed in. And yeah, so I'm gonna get something to eat now, and I'll chat to you in a bit. Oh, here they are. We just got macaroons because we're going for a really late dinner. We decided we'll get some macaroons.
Yeah, because our sleep cycle's broken.
Yeah, we have no sleep cycle at all. Literally, this is how our sleep goes. Go to bed at 2 in the morning. Wake up at, well, I woke up at like 7:30 this morning. Go do whatever I need to do. Back to bed for 5 o'clock. Sleep till 9, 9:30. It's now 10:30. And we're up, ready to go, raring to go, full of energy, eating macaroons. So yeah, no sleep cycle at all. It's great. Can't wait to get back to work, like on Tuesday, with absolutely no sleep cycle whatsoever. Yeah, so we're just like sleeping all over the place, and it's really weird because I feel like I've had like 2 days. Like, I feel like the Colosseum happened yesterday, and I don't know what I'm at. It's just like, it's really disorientating. But then again, it feels like we've been here for like 6 days because I've slept like 6 times whilst we've been here. Here we are at the Pantheon, where we're gonna have some dinner tonight. And this is like the least busy I've ever seen it. And it looks really nice. So, what to have? What he was trying to say is that there's like 4 slices or something. That'll be fine. Okay guys, so I'm just back at the hotel room now, and we're just packing to get ready to leave and go back to Ireland tomorrow. I had such a lovely time here in Rome. I'm probably going to end the vlog now, like for the weekend, because I mean there's probably not a whole lot going to be seen tomorrow. If I do get to go to St. Peter's Basilica, I'll show you that, but if not, so be it. Anyway, I will talk to you when I am back in Ireland or tomorrow at some stage. If you guys enjoyed today's vlog, I love yous, and I'll talk to you soon. Mwah. Bye.